What if I told you that your credit card could actually help you fight inflation? In today's video, we are going to explore how inflation impacts your day-to-day expenses and how you can use cashback rewards from credit cards to your advantage. Let's start by understanding inflation. Inflation is when the price of goods and services goes up over time, and this reduces your purchasing power. Simply put, the money in your pocket buys less than it used to. For example, if inflation is at 6%, something that cost rupees 1000 last year will now cost rupees 1060. That might not seem like a huge jump, but over time it adds up. And when you apply it to things you buy regularly like groceries, fuel and electricity bills, it can make a noticeable dent in your budget. This is why it's important to find ways to counter inflation, and this is where cashback credit cards come in. Now, let's talk about cashback credit cards. These are cards that give you a percentage of your spending back as a reward. For example, if your card offers 1% cashback, spending rupees 10,000 will earn you rupees 100 back. Some cards have higher rates for specific categories like groceries, fuel or online shopping. So how does this help with inflation? If you are already spending money on necessities and prices are rising, cashback rewards can offset that extra cost. It may not seem like much, but over the long term, cashback can provide some real savings. If you are going to use a credit card to beat inflation, you need to maximize your cashback rewards. Here are a few strategies to help you. Number 1, choose the right credit card. Not all credit cards are created equal. Some offer higher cashback rates for certain categories like groceries or dining, while others provide flat rate cashback on all purchases. To counter inflation effectively, choose a card that gives you the highest rewards on your largest expenses. For example, if most of your spending goes towards groceries and fuel, a credit card with 5% cashback on these categories will help you fight inflation more effectively than a card that offers just 1% on everything. Number 2, pay attention to caps and limits. Cashback cards often come with monthly or annual limits. For instance, your card may offer 5% cashback on groceries, but only up to rupees 1500 per month. Once you hit that cap, any additional spending won't earn the same rewards. Be mindful of these limits and structure your spending accordingly to get the most out of your card. Number 3, use cashback for inflation-sensitive purchases. Prioritize using your cashback cards for purchases that are most affected by inflation. For example, food prices tend to rise faster than other goods. So using your cashback card for groceries can help offset that increase. Number 4, pay off your balance in full. This is crucial. If you carry a balance on your credit card, the interest you pay will quickly wipe out any cashback rewards you earn. Inflation already reduces your purchasing power, and paying credit card interest will only make things worse. Always pay off your balance in full each month to truly benefit from the long-term impact of using cashback cards. While cashback may seem like small savings at first, they can accumulate over time. Imagine earning 5% cashback on rupees 10,000 worth of monthly groceries. That's rupees 500 back each month, or rupees 6,000 in a year. When combined with smart spending strategies and promotions, this can grow even more. Now, let's be clear. Cashback rewards alone won't completely neutralize the impact of inflation, but they can help reduce the burden. By using cashback strategically, focusing on essential purchases, paying off your balance and maximizing rewards, you can stay ahead in an inflationary economy. It's also worth noting that while cashback rewards are helpful, they should be part of a broader financial plan that includes budgeting, saving and investing. Relying solely on credit card rewards isn't a long-term solution to inflation, but it can be a valuable tool in your overall strategy. So, before you reach for your credit card the next time you are at the store, think about how it can help you save money. Use your cashback rewards to turn inflation into an opportunity rather than a challenge. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.